Must-have back-to-school gadgets for 2025. Laptops or PCs. A reliable laptop or PC is essential for taking notes, completing assignments, and conducting research efficiently. Software. Equipping your laptop with the right productivity tools and creative software can greatly enhance efficiency and workflow. Portable power banks. Portable power banks keep smartphones, tablets, and other devices charged throughout long days on campus or commuting. Portable hard drives for storage. Portable hard drives back up important files and expand storage capacity, ensuring students can safely store documents and media. Headphones or earbuds. Quality headphones or earbuds reduce distractions, deliver clear audio for music and lectures, and improve concentration in noisy environments. Webcams. A reliable webcam delivers clear video quality for virtual classes and meetings, enhancing communication and participation online. Smart air purifiers. Smart air purifiers filter allergens, dust, and pollutants to maintain a healthy study environment free of irritants and odors. Robot vacuum and mop. Robot vacuums and mops automate floor cleaning in dorms and bedrooms, saving time and effort on daily chores. Charging cables. Durable charging cables prevent connectivity issues and ensure fast, reliable charging for smartphones, tablets, and other devices. Smart lights and plugs power strips. Smart lights, plugs, and surge protectors optimize power usage, enable remote control of devices, and enhance study environments.
Go to GearBrain for more information.